Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Anjali from Angie and Joe's channel, and today I'm here to talk about one of my favorite things, which is skincare. So early on in our life, we are made to believe that skincare or taking care of yourself is limited to a particular gender, which it is not. Skincare is gender neutral. You should take care of your skin despite of the gender you relate to, because skin is our largest organ of our body. It covers whole of our body, and we should be more cautious on about what we put on our skin. How do we take care of it? It's usually ignored more. So I'm here to tell you a simple routine that you can follow if you want to take care of your skin. So a fun fact that we have seen that people in the Korean skincare is being famous and people are talking about it. It is because in Korea, skincare is like a hygiene practice. It's not something that is limited to a gender. It is for everyone because it's like bathing and that normal. So I want us to be that comfortable with skincare, because at the end of the day you're taking care of yourself. So you should not be ashamed of the fact that you're taking extra care of your skin. So let's head to the video and I'll give you a few steps which you can follow if you're starting out in skincare. Okay, the first thing that comes is cleansing. So you should always cleanse your face twice in the day and use a light cleanser, not something that is too stripping to your face. So take extra care and read the ingredient list. Make sure that you're buying something that is paraben free, sulfate free, and is not lathering too much. I would say you should buy something that is very light for your skin, because if it's too stripping, then it's gonna damage your skin in long run. So I would suggest you can try simple Kaya, and there are few more face washes as per your skin type. If you want to know your skin type, I can do a whole video directed to that, but for now we'll just talk about the basics. So covered cleansing, then comes moisturizing. So usually we layer our skin with skincare. So I am also someone who is learning to be more into this. I am reading a lot, and I am really looking forward that in future I'll make more videos about skincare and be more informed about it. I just don't want to throw stuff at you and not know them. So I am learning, and once I feel that I'm good enough and I can impart some of the knowledge that I have gained by reading to you guys, then I'll make a skincare 101 video with the details of the ingredients and their effect on our skin. So the second thing that you should do more is moisturize your face daily. If it's winter or summer, doesn't matter. Change your moisturizers as per season. So if it's hot, you can go for a gel based moisturizer which is not too heavy on your face. If it's winter, go for something that is more moisturizing, because your skin tends to go dry. So when moisturizing is done, we go to the third step, which is take your time with the skincare. Take your time, allow your products to sink in. So don't just go washing your face, then putting moisturizer, then putting SPF, everything quickly. Take your time with the process. Massage your face properly. So the third step was take your time with your moisturizers and your creams. Let it sink in your skin. So you should always massage your face from down to up. Make sure you're pushing all your lymphatic fluid towards this and then putting it down here. So it's going to make you feel relaxed, and all your moisturizer is going to sink into your skin. And the fourth point is lip care. Don't forget your lips. Buy a proper lip balm there are a lot of lip balms that are available that have no color. So if you are particular about that, you don't want color, and of course you don't want color if we are doing gender neutral, or it's still good to have pink lips, but if you don't like them, you can always go for lip balm which are plain and still hydrate your lip. So I use Laneige is colorless. Then this Wadi baby lips gives a color, so I would not recommend it. Now the fifth thing is SPF. So I cannot stress how important a sunscreen is. I have already made a video, so you can watch it here, about the importance of sunscreen, and it is very important that you include it in your morning routine. You put on a good sunscreen, something with 50 plus SPF, so it's gonna protect your skin. And once it is properly moisturized, put on a sunscreen, and then if you're planning to step out, wait 15-20 minutes. So that's a basic routine that everyone can follow. Also, I would suggest, if you are using body moisturizer or face moisturizer, don't forget the skin on your neck, on here, because the skin here is very thin, and it tends to be we tend to ignore it a lot, and if we get some skin problems here, then it will be a bit difficult to treat it. Of course, I'm not a doctor, but I have read about it. So this is the 5-step process that I recommend to everyone who wants to take care of their skin, who want to take skincare very seriously and be careful with it, as we are aging and going into our late 20s, even early on. Sunscreen you should start at a very early stage, and other ingredients you can add as we go forward. But yes, these are the 5 procedures that you must do. So it's cleanse, moisturize, and take your time with your skincare. Don't forget your lips, and SPF. So that's it, that's the video. Let me know if you like it. If you want to watch the content of someone who is learning about skincare and want any more details, do let me know in the comment box below. So yes, bye bye. Thank you for watching this video. Click on the like button. Please subscribe to our channel, and we'll meet you in another videos.